morning, everybody. I'm Linda Pellegrino, back with Courtney Corbetta here at NCCC in Sanborn, New York, and we've got a great show for you.
Yeah, we are going to learn so much this morning. Linda's going to check out the theater, and I'm going to learn what it takes to be a horticulture major.
And then so much more. So we'll tell you all about it next here on AM Buffalo. Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, Court, Niagara County Community College, where we are right now in Sanborn, New York, has over 60 degree and certificate programs, and you can choose fields like criminal justice, hospitality, physical education studies, human services, and even animal management.
How about theater?
Oh, yes.
We both would like that.
I think we should have to go and check that out.
I have to check out the stage.
Wow.
So much.
They also say it's easy to transfer to a four-year college, and if you're looking for a flexible schedule, you can check out their online programs too.
So if you can't make it here on campus,
right,
take an online course and learn something new.
Exactly. You're going to save a lot of money, and you're still going to get the full college experience. But I like the idea of going to check out these programs. What do you say? What do you want to go and look at?
I'm thinking something different, something unique that I usually wouldn't be interested in, but today I am. How about horticulture?
Horticulture? That sounds great. I'm going to do something that's out of the box for me. Technology, because I know that's where the future is. What do you say? Should we meet back later?
I think so. You go that way, I'll go this way. We'll catch up later.
All right, everybody. Come on out to NCCC. Well, our first stop is here on the second floor at Computer-Aided Drafting and Design. Now, this is, of course, at the sophomore level. And Professor Mark Voisinet is with us. He's our guest, and he is the instructor for this. Hello, nice to see you.
Good morning.
This is also under that head of CADD, C-A-D-D. Maybe you can explain what that means.
CADD stands for, it's an acronym that stands for Computer-Aided Design Drafting. Nowadays, everything is computer-aided, but design and drafting was one of the first industries or one of the first fields that utilize computers. So we stuck with it. For someone who is looking for a field in which this will be used, what kind of student are we looking for? Really anybody who has work ethic and wants to put the effort in and focus on job placement.
Okay. How long is this course and how long is the degree program?
We have a certificate degree, which takes 1 year to complete, as well as an associate's in applied science, which is a 2-year degree.
Now, I've got one of your students. This is Brandon. Brandon, what's your last name?
York.
Now, Brandon, how long have you been studying this and what is it you'd like to do with it?
This is my sophomore year. I've been studying about 2 years. I'd like to bring this on, maybe work at a development plant or a machine shop and use the skills that I've learned here to build and draw design models that I can do out in the field.
And did you find that this class is awesome for getting you prepared for that?
Oh, this class is nice. You can really design anything you want and model it on the computer. You have the ability to manipulate and design anything you feel, and not only manipulate, but you can go back and design it for a wide range of people.
Cool. All right, Brandon. You know, I noticed Brandon is one of your younger students. You don't have to be just coming out of high school to stop and take this.
Absolutely not. We're the program's used to seeing traditional and non-traditional students.
So you have people who are older, and is this class offered on weekends or in the evening?
It's mostly day classes, but we do have evening offerings.
Okay. If somebody does decide to go into this field, what kind of salary are they looking at?
Great question. There's a wide range. Coming in fresh out with the degree, without any experience yet, usually starting off at close to $40,000 a year.
Well, that's not bad. Well, thank you, and good luck, Brandon. We appreciate you letting us come on in and take a look around this afternoon. And, you know, we want to let you know that when we come back from this break, Courtney's going to be over at Mechanical Technology, and she'll have a lot more to tell you.
AM Buffalo Furnishings provided by Bassett Furniture. Visit their showroom online at bassettfurniture.com.
Here at NCCC, they offer more than 60 degrees and academic programs to choose from, one of them being mechanical technology. And today we're here with instructor Perry Schultz. Perry, thanks for having us here.
You're welcome.
I see your students are hard at work. What can you tell us about the curriculum and the degree?
Well, mechanical technology curriculum is pretty broad. It's a great place for people wanting to go into industry to come and learn. We teach some of the basic skills, and the thing I stress here about technology, it is technology, it's not engineering. So if perhaps your math skills aren't exactly at engineering level, this offers a wide variety of careers you can go into with just basic mathematical skills.
So if you are pursuing a degree in mechanical technology, what type of careers may students be looking to get into?
There's so many. Right at the very top is a mechanical technologist. There's service engineers, there's application engineers, technologists, quality control people, salespeople, supervisors, machinists, tool makers. It just goes on and on.
Well, let's just start this morning. Let's talk about one of your introductory courses, which your students are hard at work right now. Can you tell us about it?
Well, this is a course, it's Introduction to 3D Technologies. It's the first year we're actually running it out here. We've been working with 3D technologies for a couple years, but this is a course is dedicated just to 3D technologies. And we're teaching the students how to take concepts and render them in a 3D environment using software. And of course, they export that file into one of these 3D printers behind us, and they produce them in a 3D solid model. And what's nice about this is it's not limited just to technology students. We've opened this up to all the different curriculums across the school.
So someone maybe pursuing a sports management degree or theater arts, they can come here and take a class with mechanical technology?
Absolutely. It wouldn't be mechanical technology per se, but they would be able to learn 3D printing technology, in which they could actually do at home.
Talk to us about some of the things that the students will be learning in an introductory course like this.
Well, in this particular course, we're going to teach them how to look at a solid object, break it down into its components, reassemble those in a 3D model, and of course the transition into a file that these machines will read, and they can actually make those parts.
That's so neat. So 3D model, as in what? Can you show us?
Well, I actually got a sample in my hand here. We have a few more samples over here. We made this one. One of our students put this together for you, and it's a little star, WKBW.
That is so awesome. Check that out right there.
NCCC 2018, and this is addressed personally to Courtney.
Thank you so much. Well, Mr. Schultz, I really think your student deserves an A+ with that one. I like that a lot. So what other courses are a part of this major?
Well, one of them I'd like to talk about is our processes, because we've been talking to different manufacturers in the area, and we find out that there's a real desperate need for people with manufacturing skills. And what we're being told is that the skilled trades people that are currently in those jobs are becoming a retirement age, and they have nothing to backfill with. So we've been looking at our processes in particular and trying to rebuild that and bring some computer-aided manufacturing into it. And of course, we're grouping it with the 3D technology. And we're going to try to produce candidates here from this school that can step into these manufacturing positions in local industry.
All right, sounds good. So what do you think we go over and check out that processes course?
Oh, that'd be great.
Let's
Great
see,
place to start.
Yeah, let's see what the students are up to.
All right, thank you.
Well, now we've made our way over to the processes lab. Perry, check this place out. How neat is this?
Oh, this is a wonderful place to be. It's a foundation course here at NCCC. All of our mechanical technology as well as our welding people have to participate in this course.
Talk to us about what Nicole is working on today, one of your students.
This is actually with the final project in this particular lab. This is a top plate for napkin holder, and it's a good way for students to run all the machines in this lab at one time or another, to build a part that's practical and usable.
And what will be the finished product?
A napkin holder.
All right, well, that's great. We can take it home and use it for sure.
Well, the nice thing is it's made of aluminum, all aluminum, so you can put this outside and you don't have to worry about rotting.
What's so great about this lab is, yes, some of the equipment has been here a long time, but some of the equipment is new, and you have more coming.
Oh yeah, we have lots more coming. Actually, this Bridgeport just came in just a couple weeks ago. We're just started using it, and over here behind you we have a Haas CNC, and we're hoping to put another machine alongside of it, which would be CNC capable. We recently received some grant money, and we're trying to rebuild this program to make it more contemporary and turn out students that have the skills that local employers want to use.
Speaking of local employers, when students go to graduate here from NCCC, what types of jobs are they looking to pursue?
Any number of them. The first thing is, you think we're in a processes lab. It looks like a machine shop, and at its roots it is. So they can come out of here and pursue a career in the machine trades, which there's a real demand for right now. But they could go into any number of things. With this kind of training, they can work in quality control, they can work in supervision, they can work in supplies, sales, any number of industrial positions, because the vocabulary we give them in this course is going to be used anywhere in industry.
Are there any jobs available here in Western New York?
Oh, there's loads of them. We've been talking to a number of different local manufacturers, and actually just recently we talked to one local, and they said that 30% of their skilled trades force now is eligible for retirement. In 5 years, that could rise to 80% if we don't do something to stop the trend. So yeah, there's a lot of opportunity now, and there's going to be a lot of opportunity in the future.
That just shows that the students here at NCCC, their hard work is going to pay off. Perry, thank you so much for having us here today.
Welcome. Thank you for being here.
Well, I have already learned so much, but we are just getting started. When we come back after the break, our hour, Linda Pellegrino is going to explore and learn what it's like to be a theater arts student here at NCCC.